stronger, him or you?
Well, if Sukuna regained all his power, he might cause me a little trouble.
But would you lose?
I大丈夫。僕最強だから。
五条悟、私はあなたを忘れない。